Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at my new race car I bought on Sunday. And yeah, spent about $600 on this thing. The plan is to take her out tonight and race her. I-94 Speedway. Never raced before, but I'd be the third generation. Hoping to get out there and do pretty good. Be the first time racing like again. Don't really know much, but what I do know will probably carry me to be a good race car driver is what I'm hoping. The 87 Corolla 5-speed. This is inside the hood. Pretty nice motor. I was told it's rare to have a 16-valve engine and have a 5-speed transmission. That's what I was told, but I don't know. Yeah. Well, I'll show you guys inside the car. If I can climb up inside of here. I could get my plans to race her tonight and just go out there, get the feel for it. It'll be the first time ever driving a race car. Yeah, not really much to it, but you know, I'm hoping I can get someone to record on a different phone, or someone record on my phone my race, so I could post it on the channel. You know, it's an accomplishment. I've been waiting to do this for years. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and cool. Just give it a cheese.